Welcome to Parthanin Weather. Today we are going to see about the upcoming low pressure area to form over North Bay of Bengal. So, due to this, southwest monsoon is going to become more active across the country in coming days. So, let's see the monsoon status between 4th and 11th August. I'm going to start with Miso. Southwest monsoon to intensify as Miso strengthens. As you can see, the second picture is between 6th to 12th. And this blue color indicates the higher rainfall activity over west coast, northwest, central and east India. And this miso is going to be very strong over central India as it is shown here in this picture. This is called phase 2 of miso zone. And then phase 3 central India and north India. This is where also it is going to be active for the next 1 week to 10 days. A low pressure area is likely to form over North Bay of Bengal by 4th August. This system will strengthen westerlies over west coast, east and northeast India. Central and northwest India likely to receive from 5th to 6th. This low unlikely to intensify, but it will strengthen the monsoon axis. This is CFS forecast. As we see why a low pressure area is forming over North Bay of Bengal. Because of this MJO over East Indian Ocean in the coming days, it is going to trigger a low pressure area over North Bay of Bengal, and this MJO is going to stay intact for next 1 week over East Indian Ocean and maritime continent. This is favorable scenario for southwest monsoon, and you can see this MJO. This brown arrow is indicating MJO is in Indian Ocean, and it is remaining weak till 4th. Then from 5th of August, it is going to strengthen over East Indian Ocean and then start to weaken after reaching maritime continent. This blue arrow is maritime continent. This is what indicated phase 3 is East Indian Ocean, very strong MJO, then weakening over maritime continent and entering into the center circle. This is sea surface temperature, North Arabian Sea, North Bay of Bengal, East Indian Ocean and maritime continent becoming very warm. Now this picture of surface level wind as of today. This westerlies is strengthening as you see in this picture as I showed in the previous slide. This westerly is strengthening, hitting over maritime continent over here, and there is a formation of ascending limb, which means that the pressure from sea surface level rising towards upper troposphere, and this will ensure the clouds forming over these areas. This is upper level, 8 km above sea level, and wind is exactly opposite to surface level. This is called tropical easterly jet, and this jet is very important, like reflecting the surface level. That upper level is reflecting the surface level and moving from East Indian Ocean to West Indian Ocean. Here, descending limb will form over West Indian Ocean, and this descending is nothing but the atmospheric pressure is getting released and moved towards surface level, and this is where a settled and dry weather will provide. So if you see the forecast from 4th to 11th August, and you see today on 4th August, a low pressure area is forming over North Bay of Bengal, and the wind pattern, if wind velocity is highly increasing, it crosses 100 km per hour over Arabian Sea and hits over the west coast of India, which brings high moisture and heavy to very heavy rainfall. By 5th, this low is moving. There is a twin vortex, one vortex over North Bay and another one is over central India. This again triggers more rainfall over Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, and also West Bengal and parts of northeastern states by 5th August. By 6th, both the vortex merges into one and moves towards Gujarat, and this is when North India gets heavy rainfall. So as of now, this is how it looks. So from 4th to 11th August, this is the forecast from my side, and you can read by yourself on this podcast. And during 4th to 8th August, which is very important, the rain shadow regions like Tamil Nadu, South and North Andhra Pradesh will get less rainfall because the monsoon regions are active. Just to recap on what we learned, we saw to trigger southwest monsoon across the country. Low pressure forming over North Bay of Bengal. This is because of, you can see that the ascending limb forming over East Indian Ocean, and this low should move towards Central and West India by 6th. Strong Madden-Julian oscillation to get to stay over East Indian Ocean for next 1 week, and then start to move towards maritime continent and start to weakening. Ascending limb over East Indian Ocean and descending limb over West Indian Ocean. This is the perfect nature of southwest monsoon. The characteristics of southwest monsoon is falling inline, so this should give heavy to very heavy rainfall across the monsoon regions. So by now you would have learned why that low pressure area is forming and how the monsoon is going to be for the next 7 to 10 days. If you like this video, please like it with your friends, like and share it with your friends and families. If you have any question, please post it in comment section. And also, if you like this channel's dynamical videos, please subscribe. So I'm thanking you and signing off with this. For day-to-day weather forecast, you can follow me on Twitter and Facebook. Thank you and bye.